Excuse me, I was supposed to take the 10 a.m. bus to Brighton.
I see. What seems to be the problem?
I arrived just now, but the bus is already gone.
The 10 a.m. bus? Let me check.
Yes, I double-checked my ticket.
It says here the bus left at 9:50 a.m.
But why? It's supposed to leave at 10 o'clock.
Sometimes buses depart early if all passengers have boarded.
That's very frustrating.
I completely understand.
I wasn't late. I was here on time.
Did you check in at the counter?
No, I went straight to the platform.
That might be why they didn't wait.
Is there another bus to Brighton today?
Let me look that up for you.
Thank you.
There's another one at 12:30 p.m.
That's quite a wait.
Yes. Unfortunately, it's the next available.
Can I use the same ticket?
Let me check the system. No. The ticket is only valid for the scheduled time.
So I need to buy a new one.
I'm afraid so.
That's not fair.
I agree. It can be inconvenient.
Is there a complaints department?
Yes, I can give you their contact details.
Please do.
Here you go. You can email or call.
Can I at least get a discount for the next bus?
Let me ask my supervisor.
Thank you, I'd appreciate it.
Hi, we have a passenger who missed the 10 o'clock Brighton bus. Okay. Thanks. Good news. We can offer you 50% off the next ticket.
That's something, I guess. Would you like me to book the 12:30 bus now? Yes, please do.
All right, one moment. Done. You're all set for the 12:30 departure.
Do I need to go to the same platform?
Yes, platform 4.
Should I check in this time?
Definitely. It's safer.
I'll be there early, just in case.
That's a good idea.
Is there a place to wait nearby?
Yes, there's a lounge just down the hall.
Great. Maybe I'll grab some coffee.
There's a cafe right next to the lounge.
Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome.
I was really stressed, but you've been kind.
I'm glad I could assist.
I'll definitely be more careful next time.
That's always a smart move when traveling.
All right, I'll wait until 12:30.
Safe travels.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, how can I help you?
I think I lost my luggage after check-in.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
I've been looking for it everywhere.
When did you last see it?
Just before I went through security.
Did you leave it unattended?
No, I handed it over at the check-in counter.
Do you still have your baggage claim ticket?
Yes, it's right here.
Thank you. Let me take a look.
I'm really nervous.
Don't worry, we'll try to track it down.
Is this a common problem?
It happens sometimes, but we usually find it.
I hope so. My important documents are inside.
I understand. What flight were you on?
Flight 524 to Amsterdam.
Okay, I'll contact the airline.
Thank you so much.
Do you remember the color of your luggage?
Yes, it's a red suitcase with black handles.
Got it? Any tags or stickers on it?
There's a green tag with my name.
That'll help. Let me make a few calls.
Sure. I'll wait right here.
Thank you for your patience.
Of course.
Yes, a red suitcase, green tag. They're checking the baggage hold.
That's good to know.
Do you have time before your next flight?
Yes, I have a 3-hour layover.
Perfect. We still have time.
What if they don't find it?
We'll file a report and track it globally.
Will they send it to me later?
Yes, directly to your home or hotel.
That's a relief.
Many times the bag shows up on the next flight.
Has that happened before?
Yes, more often than you'd think.
I really appreciate your help.
I'm happy to assist. Yes, great, thank you. Good news, they found your bag.
Really? That's amazing.
It was accidentally loaded onto a different cart,
Oh no!
but it's still in the airport.
Can I go get it?
We'll bring it to you right here.
Thank you so much again.
You're very welcome.
I was so worried.
That's understandable.
I'll be more careful next time.
Safe travels. Hi there, you look a bit lost.
Oh, hi. Yeah, I think I took the wrong turn.
Are you trying to find something specific?
Yes, I'm looking for the train station.
You're actually really close.
Really, that's a relief.
Just 2 blocks down this road and then to the left.
I've been walking in circles for 10 minutes.
That happens. City layouts can be confusing.
Especially for someone new like me.
Are you visiting?
Yes, I'm here for the first time.
Well, welcome.
Thanks, it's a beautiful city.
It really is. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Nice. What brings you here?
Just exploring, taking some time off.
That sounds amazing.
It is, though getting lost is not part of the plan.
Can imagine.
Do you live around here?
Yeah, just a few blocks away.
So you must know the area well.
Pretty well, yes.
Do you mind showing me on the map?
Sure, let me take a look. See this blue marker? That's you. And the train station is right here.
Oh, I see now.
Not far at all, right?
Yes, thankfully.
Are you catching a train soon?
Yes, in about 30 minutes.
You've got plenty of time.
I hope I don't miss it.
You won't. It's only a 5-minute walk.
That's good to know.
What city are you heading to?
I'm going to Oxford.
Great place. You'll love it.
I've heard good things.
Make sure you check out the university buildings.
I will. Thank you.
Do you need help buying the ticket?
I actually already booked it online.
Smart move.
I try to be prepared.
Well, I'm glad I could help.
I really appreciate it.
Anytime, it's always nice to help a visitor.
You've been very kind.
No problem at all.
What's your name?
I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Sophia.
Pleasure to meet you, Sophia.
Thanks again for the directions.
You're very welcome. Safe travels.
Thank you. Have a great day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.